Kumquats, the tiny tangy citrus fruit. Kumquats are small oval-shaped citrus fruits known for their unique characteristic. The skin is sweet, while the inside is tart and tangy. Unlike most citrus fruits, kumquats are often eaten whole, including the peel, making them a fun and flavorful snack. These miniature citrus fruits are packed with flavor, and their sweet-sour balance makes them a popular addition to desserts, salads, and drinks. Scientific name: Fortunella spp. Family: Rutaceae. Native to Southeast Asia, China, Japan, Vietnam. Grown in USA, California, Florida, Japan, China, and other warm regions. Types of kumquats. There are several varieties of kumquats, each with slightly different shapes, flavors, and sizes. 1. Nagami kumquat. The most common variety, oval-shaped with a sweet skin and tart flesh. 2. Maiwa kumquat. A sweeter variety with rounder fruit and less tartness in the flesh. 3. Marumi kumquat. Known for its round shape and smooth, bright orange skin, often used in cooking and preserves. 4. Fukushu kumquat. Larger than the standard kumquat, with a thicker skin and a sweeter taste. Nutritional value of kumquats: per 100 gram. Calories: 71 kilocalorie. Carbohydrates: 15.9 gram, natural energy. Fiber: 6.5 gram, supports digestion. Vitamin C: 43.9 milligram, immunity booster. Vitamin A: 45 IU, supports healthy vision. Potassium: 186 milligram, supports heart health. Water content: 80%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of kumquats: rich in vitamin C, aids the immune system, helping to ward off illness and promote healthy skin. High in fiber, helps with digestion, supporting gut health and keeping you regular. Supports heart health. The potassium in kumquats helps to regulate blood pressure and promote healthy cardiovascular function. Low in calories. Kumquats are a low-calorie, nutrient-dense snack, great for weight management. Boosts hydration. With their high water content, kumquats help to keep you hydrated throughout the day. Antioxidant power. Kumquats contain flavonoids that help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Fun facts about kumquats. Kumquats are often eaten whole, peel and all, because their sweet peel contrasts perfectly with the tart flesh. Kumquats are sometimes called the fruit that's eaten whole because of their unique flavor balance. Kumquats have been grown for over 1,000 years in China, and are often seen as a symbol of good luck. Kumquats can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. They are fantastic in marmalades, desserts, salads, and even meats. Kumquats are sometimes turned into liqueurs in some cultures, offering a sweet, citrusy twist to cocktails. Kumquat trees are small and hardy, making them a great choice for gardens and containers in warm climates. How kumquats grow. 1. Kumquat trees prefer warm, subtropical climates, needing full sunlight and well-drained soil. 2. They bloom in spring with small white or pink flowers which then give way to tiny green fruit. 3. After 7 to 9 months, kumquats ripen to a bright, vibrant orange ready for harvest. 4. Kumquat trees typically grow 4 to 8 feet tall, making them compact and perfect for home gardens. Uses of kumquats. Eaten fresh. Simply wash them and eat them whole, skin and all. They make a delicious snack. Kumquat jam and marmalade. Kumquat's sweet skin and tart flesh make them perfect for making tangy jams and marmalades. In cooking, add kumquats to savory dishes like roasted meats, stir-fries, or even in salsas for a sweet and tangy flavor. Kumquat desserts. Use kumquats in cakes, tarts, or sorbets for a citrusy twist. Kumquat beverages. Mix kumquat juice or zest into cocktails like kumquat mojitos or use them in citrus punches. In salads, add fresh kumquat slices to fruit salads, green salads, or grain salads for a tangy pop of flavor. Kumquat liqueur. In some cultures, kumquats are fermented or used in liqueurs for a sweet, zesty alcoholic drink. Conclusion. Kumquats are small citrus fruits that pack a big punch of flavor with their sweet peel and tart flesh. Whether eaten fresh, in dishes, or as part of a refreshing drink, kumquats offer a unique and versatile citrus experience. With their high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties, kumquats are both delicious and healthy.